Hello ICT traders, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who have been asking me or you've been looking for an opportunity to trade on a platform like TradingView, I have a good news for you this moment. Just wait for a moment and I will show you everything I have for you. This particular platform is called TradeLocker. It has the same back end as TradingView. As you can see it right here, and then let me take you to my TradingView. This is my TradingView. It's quite different, all right? But this one, I got it from a particular prop firm called Pro. Now, this particular prop firm has some unique characteristics which I want to share with you in this particular video. I actually got a 200k account from them and I'm even trading it right now. This is what you're seeing here. As you can see right here, I'm almost $500 profit. It's my first trade on this particular account. Then if you also want to trade alongside me, all you have to do is to get an account with this particular prop firm, and then I'll be sharing every progress I am taking with this account. I will show you every trade. This is the first trade on 200k account. I'm supposed to make 10% of this particular account. This is the first day I am trading on it. All right, and then I will take you through everything till the end of this particular challenge. It is called challenge. I'm not scared of taking the challenge. I'm going to be taking the trades one after another. But let's quickly go through this particular platform and then this particular prop firm and what makes them stand out against other prop firms. Now, the first thing about this particular prop firm, what I normally do is to check how serious a prop firm is. Now, it will show from the aesthetics of their website, how they took their time to organize what they are offering out there. So look at the website out here, Pro. All right, you can see the website. I'm just trying to scroll through briefly so you can see what you're up against. All right, so right here is the platform which you can see visibly, and I love the aesthetics, guys. Everything here is beautiful. Now, another thing about this particular prop firm is that this particular prop firm gives real money, not virtual money for your live trading. A lot of prop firms out there give you virtual money for trading. Now, this is the difference. Any prop firm that is giving you a virtual money, they are basically not interested in you profiting. But these ones, they are giving live funds for you to trade with. And that speaks a lot. That means they want you to really make money. But then you have to prove them that you are capable of managing the money they are about to give you. I'll go through everything on this particular prop firm, and then I will show you how unique they are and how you can access them. For those of you who want to sign up with them, I have a link in the description of this video. And then if you want to get 10% discount on any account, I will drop my coupon code for you. It's just Solomon King 20, and then you will get 10% discount on any account you want to purchase. I got 200k account from them, and I am going to trade it step by step till the end so you can see. I'm using TradeLocker. This particular platform is called TradeLocker right here. I am still on profit. I took this particular trade just this morning. It's London session, and let me show you briefly what I did, just the analysis so you can see how I took the trade. I was watching what was happening, and I am very, very confident that price was going to print lower, because we have price having this particular breaker block that has not been mitigated. Let me show you. This particular breaker block has not been mitigated. Now, you can see I am doing the same thing I was doing on TradingView on this platform. So those of you who are watching this particular video, you can actually get access to this kind of platform, do your analysis easy, take trades, the same thing you are doing. Now, you remember your FIP levels from here to here. Let me also show you the settings of my FIP levels. Take out everything, and then I will leave 1, 0, and 0.5. All right, that is how I normally do my FIP levels. I have 1, I have 0.5, and I have 0. 0.5 is basically the equilibrium, while 1 is 100%, 0 is 0%. I will change it to percent, and you can actually see it right here. So you see the percentage. Let me take it to the right hand side. You can actually do a lot of things. The same thing you're doing, label to the right hand side, and I can see it right here. So this is basically how I normally do it. So if you look at this closely, we have the OTE is in this area. OTE is located right here. Let me change the color to red so you can see it visibly. So we have OTE right there, OTE, and price actually started reversing from this particular area, this fair value gap, not touching this guy. So that is why I'm having this confidence that price was trying to induce traders so that it would take all the stop losses here, touching this guy before going up. Hence the reason why I went bearish on this particular trade. So you can actually judge from what I'm doing. So all my trades will be displayed to you. I will record everything for you to see until I pass this challenge. So I am on a journey of passing a 200k challenge account, and then I will show you the live trading account also. So let's go through everything about this particular prop firm so you can see in detail. So starting from, we've finished the aesthetics. So they have different challenges that you can use. As you can see, this is the account I've got for myself. It's displayed right here. So just like every prop firm, they have their rules that you must obey or you must work with. All right, so right here we have it here. We have the challenge type, they have the swing, they have the regular, and then they have the fast track. You can choose according to how you want it, but then I will quickly go through it so you can see. So from the swing, you can actually see that funded account challenge, become a trader, trade up to 200k. Proof you can trade consistently, pass our evaluation criteria and get funded. Real money, I mean real money is not virtual money. You can try them and see. So you have a profit target of 10% for stage 1 and 8% for stage 2. That means I will need to make $20,000 on this my challenge account. What a huge journey it will be for me. So the next is 8%, and then maximum daily drawdown is 5%, just like many other prop firms, and then maximum overall drawdown is 10%. How unique it is. So scaling plan on the 100k and other challenges. So this is some of the things you must know. So if you wish to buy any challenge, just wait till I take you through. So from the swing account, you can see that the swing account has some rules that you must follow. All right. We have the trade locker as the platform, which is what I'm using. As I told you, this is the trade locker. You can see it's very, very unique. And I think this is the only prop firm I see with this kind of platform. And I love it. That is why I even opted in to get an account with them. Duration is unlimited. Leverage 1:30. They love you, that's why they give you 1:30. Leverage is not for you. Mostly brokers use leverage to destroy your account. Maximum daily drawdown on this, and then you can see the amount. You can select the amount, refundable fee. You can actually see. So the 100k account is here, 150 and 200k. I got it for this particular amount, but then I use another coupon code to get a discount of 10%. So you can also use my coupon code to get a discount on that. And then the second one is actually the regular challenge. I'll go through the rules for you shortly, but then I'm just trying to show you. And then the fast track. Now, how about the rules? What makes them different? So you can actually see them here, everything. So if you come right here on the home page, you can actually see all the details. If you scroll down, you see them. You can compare them side by side, the fast track, the regular, and the swing. So let's start from the fast track. You can actually see the price is here, funded, and then as you scroll down, you see everything, show more conditions, the rules. Consistency rule is applicable. Consistency rule is all about how consistent your lot size is, so that they will know how good you are with trading. It's called challenge. They want to know that they are not giving gamblers their money. All right. So you need to show consistency as your profit increases, and then you will not trade 2 standard lot today and then all of a sudden tomorrow you are trading 20 standard lot. It shows that you don't have consistency. So you have to follow the progression. All right. News trading is not accepted here. You cannot take trades on high impact news. It's harmful to any trader. And if you will be allowed to do that, what they are avoiding is basically when they give you a live account, assuming you bought a live account for $500 and then they give you, and then you trade news, you lose $5,000 during that news trading. You see, even though you lose the amount, because they give you real money, at the end of the day, they will be running at loss. All right. So they know exactly why they are saying that. That's why you can actually see it. So what are the maximum daily drawdown? I've shown you there, 5% and 10% maximum. 5% is actually for the day, and then 10% overall. So what's the maximum overall drawdown? You can see here, everything is classified. You can read. It's just like any other prop firm. Can I use a trading board? You can see, yes, now you will have to program your own bot using the thread locker. So you can program your own bot using the thread locker. Will I trade real money in a funded account? You see, yes, Funder Pro accounts are STP accounts funded with real money. And I mean it. You can search it online and see. It's a real money, and that is why their challenge has to be guided. All right. Once you show or you prove to them that you can trade good money, they will let you trade real money. The challenge is what makes you acceptable to be able to trade real money. You see, a lot of pro firms are giving you virtual money. That shows that they don't want you to progress in it. But then this one gives you real money, because at the end of the day, you make money. They take 20% and give you 80%. They make money, you make money. All right. Are there hidden rules or fees? No, there are no hidden rules or fees. Are there countries I cannot trade? Yes, there are countries listed here. So please, you can check if your country falls under this. You are not eligible for that. So you can see quite a number of very, very interesting things there. All right. So you can see them here. We don't trade news right here. All right. There is no maximum lot size here on the fast track. These are the difference between the accounts, right? You can see regular, that is phase 1 and phase 2. Is there any maximum lots? There is no maximum lot sizes. All right. And then there is no weekend hold over weekend and news. You cannot hold over weekend and news. So you can actually check the rules right here. It's important you read their rules so that anytime you have any challenge, you will see where you are getting it wrong. All right. Swing, you can scroll down. Also, for a swing trade, there is no maximum loads. It's 10 standard lot. You can actually see it for a swing account. You must also pay attention to this. News trading is not acceptable. For a swing trade, you can hold your trade till the next day. So you see, this one is important. I'm bringing this to your notice so you can see maximum lots. So you can only trade 10 standard lot at once. All right. So you can open 5. Your trade must run concurrently at just 10 standard lot at most. All right. Not more than that. So please take notice of that so that you will not get disqualified. All right. So this is all about this particular pro firm. For those of you who are interested in taking an account with them or picking an account with them, you can try them, guys. I'm trading this particular one, and then I'm sure you can also get very interesting things with this particular pro firm. I will soon be hitting my profit anyway, but then I'm just showing you everything right here. It's about 700 and something dollars profit. I am at break even now already. I'm at break even. That's why you cannot see my stop loss. All right, I'm at break even already. So right here, I want to take my profit honestly here below this liquidity area. I just want to close my position right there, and then I'm done for the day. Next day, I will take the same trade and see how it will go. All right. So this is all about this, guys. And if you have any question, let me know in the comments. I will take time and explain it. And then if you have anything bothering you, you can use my WhatsApp link in the description of this video so we can talk. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.